Imagine waking up one morning and the sun is gone. No sunrise, no daylight, just pitch black skies everywhere on Earth. What would actually happen if the sun vanished for just 24 hours? Would we freeze? Would gravity go wild? Or would we all be totally fine, just a little scared and confused? Let's find out.
First, don't panic. This is just a thought experiment. The sun isn't going anywhere, at least not for a few billion years. But if, somehow, it did disappear for one full day, like someone just hit the cosmic light switch, what would happen to us, to the planet, and to everything that depends on sunlight?
At first, you'd notice it instantly. Even if it's daytime where you live, within 8 minutes, the light you're seeing would vanish, because that's how long sunlight takes to travel from the sun to Earth.
So 8 minutes after the sun's disappearance, we'd be left staring at a black sky. No blue, no clouds, just stars, even at noon. Kind of cool, kind of terrifying.
But light isn't the only thing we'd lose. The sun also holds Earth in orbit with its gravity. If it vanished completely, not just the light, but the whole thing, then Earth would no longer feel that pull. After 8 minutes, when gravity's effect stops reaching us, Earth would start drifting in a straight line into space, moving at about 67,000 miles per hour, the speed it was orbiting before. Basically, we'd go rogue planet mode.
Now, would we instantly freeze? Surprisingly, not right away. Earth's atmosphere is pretty good at holding in heat, kind of like a giant cosmic thermos. In the first few hours, temperatures wouldn't drop dramatically. It might just feel like a particularly cold night. But after 24 hours, things would start to get chilly. Average temperatures could fall by a few degrees. Still survivable, but uncomfortable.
Plants, though, they'd be confused. No sunlight means no photosynthesis. For one day, most plants would just pause their food-making routine. That's okay, they can handle a short break. But if the sun didn't come back after a week, total disaster.
And animals? Humans? We'd all probably be outside, staring at the sky, trying to live stream the darkness, until our phones die because everyone's using them at once. Cities would glow like constellations, while the moon, no longer lit by sunlight, would vanish too. A world with no sun and no moon would feel incredibly eerie. Airplanes might ground, solar panels would be useless, temperatures near the poles would drop faster than near the equator. But overall, for just 24 hours, humanity would make it.
Here's the real kicker. When the sun suddenly reappears after those 24 hours, things wouldn't instantly go back to normal. The side of Earth facing the sun would be slammed with a massive temperature difference, from freezing cold to blazing hot in minutes. Air masses would collide violently, creating extreme winds and storms.
Basically, the world would experience the craziest sunrise in history, a global weather meltdown caused by one day without the sun. Lightning storms, wild winds, maybe even flash blizzards on one side and fire-like heat waves on the other. It would be chaotic, but also short-lived. Within a few days, Earth's systems would stabilize again. So what have we learned? If the sun disappeared for just 24 hours, we wouldn't die, but we'd definitely freak out. It would be dark, cold, and silent. Plants would pause, animals would panic, and humans would lose their minds posting #WhereIsTheSun. The real danger would come after the sun returned, when the planet tries to rebalance itself. And if the sun never came back, well, within weeks the oceans would start freezing, temperatures would plummet, and life on Earth would fade into darkness. But luckily, our sun is pretty reliable. It's been shining for 4.5 billion years and still has billions to go. So tomorrow morning, when you see that sunrise, take a moment to appreciate it. It's literally keeping everything alive.
If you enjoyed this what if thought experiment, hit that like button. It helps more curious minds find us. Drop your wildest what if ideas in the comments. Maybe we'll turn your idea into our next episode. And don't forget to subscribe, because curiosity doesn't sleep, even if the sun does.